Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Please don't forget to subscribe. I upload videos twice a week, every Tuesday and Friday in both English and French. So make sure you click the subscribe button. So in today's video we're going to be talking about bay leaves and how to burn bay leaves to relieve stress, anxiety, negative energies. So bay leaves are very powerful. They've been used since very ancient times. They were used in Roman times a lot, and they carry a lot of magical and very powerful energies. And they're going to be a really good tool to use. So for this today we're going to need your bay leaves. You're going to need so a fireproof container. So I'm using an albino shell, but you don't have to use that. If you don't have one, you can just use a cup, some kind of like old coffee mug that you use, for example, to burn things, anything that's fireproof. You're gonna need a Sharpie to write on your bay leaves, or any kind of pen to write on your bay leaves. I also use tweezers that are very easy, so you don't burn yourself or burn your fingers when you go to the end of the bay leaves. And you can also have a candle light up while you do this. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So you're going to take your bay leaf, and you can start by writing anything you want to remove. So right now this is a really good time to remove any blocks, negative energy, or anything you want to remove in your life, because anytime from the full moon period up to the new moon, those 2 weeks are when the moon is decreasing, and this is a perfect time to do anything that is with removing things, letting go of all things, etc. So you're going to take your bay leaves and you're going to think about what you want to remove in your life. Okay, so for example, this one I'm going to do it about removing negative energies. So I'm going to write on it, remove negative energies, but you can do it for stress, anxiety. You can remove blocks of your life like that, past trauma, you know, old memories that you want to let go, old fears, anything that really you want to remove. This is a perfect time for it. So I'm just going to go ahead and write directly on your bay leaf. So remove negative energies. So that's what I'm gonna do. If you want, you can also write like this, and in the back of your bay leaf you can write your name and your date of birth to make it stronger, but you don't have to do it that way. That's just another way to do it if you like. Or if you want, you can just use it like this, and then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna take it, and you can use your lighter to just burn it directly, or I like to use a candle so I don't have to keep relighting it. So the bay leaves is not going to burn in one shot. You're going to have to go a couple times. That's why I like to use a candle. And you kind of like let it go like this and let the smoke go. So the smoke of the bay leaves is really good. It's excellent to actually really make you relax. That smoke really helps you remove stress just by itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and burn it with a candle. So as you see, I can get a little bit more in one shot like that. I don't have to keep reusing the lighter. That's why I like using the candle next to it. And see, this one is burning really quickly, basically all in one. There we go. And this is why I like to use a tweezer like for the end of it. When it gets like this, you don't want to burn your fingers, so kind of burns the end of it. All right. And then I'm gonna put the ashes in my fireproof bowl or container. In this case, the albano shell, and kind of let it finish burning like this. I'm gonna do another one, and on this one I'm gonna do it for stress. So I'm gonna write let go stress. Okay, so just write on it. Same thing, gonna take my tweezers and I'm gonna burn it. So before you burn it, also what you can do, if you like, you can kind of like focus on it and kind of like put all those negative energy or stress that you had, kind of like focus on it on the bay leaves, and while the bay leaves burn, you see all those old negative energy going away. So you can picture it actually going away in the black smoke. That will be also very, very powerful to do. So I'm gonna let go stress with this one. Same thing, let it consume, let the smoke go. Like I said, just the smell of the bay leaves help you relieve stress by itself. You can do that for each one of your room too in your house, to clean your house, because the smoke of the bay leaf is extremely powerful. It really purifies the air and will bring good energy just by itself, by the smell of it. It's extremely powerful. So again, just gonna keep doing it until it burns completely. There goes those ashes, and just finish burning it. So what you can do with the ashes, once you're done doing your bay leaves rituals, you can actually throw it in the air. That's the best way to let go all those negative energy. So you let go in the air. You can place it in dirt also and let the dirt infuse all those negative energy. Or another way to get rid of those ashes is to put it, for example, in running water. So you could just throw it in running water and let it go that way. So another thing you can do with it is that you can just use the bay leaves just like that. So you don't have to write anything on it, and you will just burn it in each of your room in your house. Just make sure that it's well open, you have air circulating. You don't want to get the fire alarm ringing in your whole house, and you just burn it with the window open, and you burn it in your house just for that smell, and it will purify your house from negative energy just by itself, just like that. You don't have to write anything on it. It's very easy. You just burn it like that, and just the smell of it will clean the air and really bring good vibes and a lot more relaxed atmosphere. So just like that. So it's very, very easy. You can do this anytime. Like I said, for rituals like this about negative energy, anytime from the full moon to the new moon, those 2 weeks are the best time to remove any blocks or anything from your life like this. I'll do another one for around the new moon, and that will be more to bring abundance and things in your life. But this is about what you want to do right now with those, and they are very, very easy to use. There we go. Very easy to use. The smell is very, very, very good to purify the air and all those negative energy. So I hope this helps you guys. I hope this gives you some good tips. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I upload every Tuesday and Friday. This Friday we're gonna have another video on how to do chakra healing and opening your chakra, and everything about that. And make sure you clean all this old energy right now. This is the perfect time for it. Cleaning all this negative energy, and use your beliefs. Anytime you feel like it, you really want to follow your intuition and go with what your gods tell you. And that's really powerful way to do things in your life. So I will do more videos on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. That helps me out. Subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great week. Bye bye.